up until now, in the previous modules, we've learned first of all that matter is made up of smaller particles, which means that matter has a particulate nature. Or we can, if we take a sheet of metal, let's say iron for example, then we can further divide this sheet into smaller and smaller pieces until we reach a very small piece of this thing, which cannot be further divided into smaller pieces. And such a small piece which has a capability which has the properties of its parent element, of the element it belongs to, is called an atom. So this small thing here is an atom, and if we further try to divide this atom into smaller parts, then this atom would lose the properties of the element it belongs to. So if we have an iron atom here, then if we divide it further into smaller particles, then it would no longer remain iron, and we would no longer be able to distinguish identify this atom as an iron atom. So now in the coming modules, what we'd like to do is we'll go into a bit more depth as to what as to the particles by which an atom is composed of. So we will try to study the structure of an atom and look at the various components, what all particles is an atom made up of, and in what way are those subatomic particles, or the particles with which the atom is made up of, in what arrangement are they put inside an atom, or are they present inside an atom. So the basic idea of the coming modules would be to study the structure of an atom, but more importantly, this chapter would explain you the scientific procedure that actually happens while some discovery is being made. So before this, whenever we were studying science, obviously in the past scientists had done a lot of had put in a lot of efforts, so they had come up with theories, but were proven, those theories were proven wrong, and so on and so forth. But what you were being presented was the final theory. But in this chapter, we will be studying not just the final theory, or what is the correct one or the latest one, but we will be studying the complete journey through which science has gone through to be able to find out the structure of an atom. So obviously the structure of an atom is not so easy to find out, right? An atom is a very, very, very small particle, and in the next video, actually there'll be a video that will explain you how small an atom actually is. So now imagine something that you cannot even see. Atoms are that small, so there's no way you can see atoms, but you have to somehow find the structure of this atom. So what all subatomic particles is the atom composed of, and in what way are those subatomic particles arranged. So that is what that is the procedure that science has followed to find out the structure of an atom. That is what we'll be studying in the coming modules, and I'd like you to appreciate the various methods that scientists have used to find out the structure of something that they cannot even see, they cannot even touch it, but yet they are somehow able to find the structure of an atom. So this is in itself a very big achievement for science, and this is a chapter that will make you appreciate the beauty of science in itself. And so yeah, that is what I'd like you to do, is just enjoy this chapter and understand how much effort does it take to or what is the procedure through which most scientific theories go through. So yeah, with that being said, let us move on to finding the structure of an atom.